Welcome back to CAD Inventions. So today in this video gonna see this sketch. So this is what our 3D model. So first we are going to start from this arrow mark. The arrow mark has been shown here, right? From this phase we are going to start projecting our 3D model. So let me go to CAD here. Okay, so as usual, file, new, as we are part, it's part, and be clear before going into the new product file or anything, because we are going to design a part, so not a product. Be sure with that. Okay, so now we got the screen. Okay, now we got all those three planes, x, y, y, z and z, y plane. Let me select this zx plane and I'm giving sketch. Okay, so now you can even start from the origin. If you don't like, I'm starting it from some distance away from the origin. So for my comfortability, I'm selecting the profile. So I have to draw a rough sketch, and then we can give all this those dimensions all. Okay, first I'm giving the rough sketch on this, so you can see it, right? A rough sketch I'm just giving. So the length has been 180. So now I'm constraining everything. Okay, so I'm going to do a constraint. It's 180, right? So it's 180, and before giving your the dimensions, just be clear whether your length and breadth, all those dimensions are in millimeter. Okay, so the height is 55. So height is 55. Okay, so now here this is 30. Okay, guys, so now actually, okay, so now I'm giving this length. So this is 20. Okay, now, so what will be the distance here? Here is 30 and here is 32. So subtract 132 plus 30 from 180. Okay, so 32 plus 30 is 62. So 62 minus 180. So if you don't get you cannot calculate it easy, you can also write as 62 minus 180. This is also this is actually plus 118. Okay, so now again here we have the same length. Actually it is greater than this, so be sure with the length also. Okay, let me starting in starting you can just give a rough profile, and then also you can give it for the constraint works and all those things. Okay, I am joining this. Okay, so what is this length? The distance is 32. So I'm first confining this. Okay, so this is 32. Okay, I have done an over constraint. So now for our comfortable view, I'm zooming it. Okay, in this 2D picture, in this sketch, you can see it here. There is a small gap. Okay, then there is an arc. So starting just draw a small line and leave it. So I have to define this length. Height is, what will be the height? It's 50. Okay, so it's 50. You got it? Yes. Okay, so now I'm creating a line, a simple line. So it should be of length, how much it should be. So here is 35 and the total length is 55, 80. They have given it here, right? 80 minus 35. So I'm okay, it's 45. So we got it, right? So now the thing is that we have to do this arc. So they have given us as, this indicates that it's a point arc. Okay, so pointed arc. So pointed arc is here. See, you can see it here, right? Arc. Click here, click here. For roughly you can do it like here. Okay, so now we have to give the radius. It's 45. Okay, so now we have to define the distance between these two lines. Okay, how much it is. Already we have to 32 minus 180, 181. Okay, 118 I think so. Already we defined it, so no problem. We need the arc of radius 28. So okay, so I am zooming it out, zooming in. First we have to give what is the radius. It's radius of 25, but we need the radius of 28. Okay, so okay guys, so now the radius has been 20, but we need the radius of 28. Okay, so zoom in and see whether the two lines have been joined. If not, nothing, it's very simple. Select these 2 points by pressing the control, just give coincide. Okay, okay, so this is over with the outer body sketch. Okay, we have did an outer body sketch. So now we have to go exit workbench and pad. Okay, and before you're giving the length of the pad, we have to see here it has been padded for the length of 70 mm. Okay, so you give it as 70. Okay, you can see here we have did the outer body as same as this. So now we have to give a hole here and then an outward projected like a rectangle strip, and also an hole like a projector inside. Okay, you have to do a pocket work is here. So okay, so the same thing should be done. I'm selecting this face and give sketch. Okay, fit all in, that you'll be getting that. So zoom in for a comfortable view. Okay, we got it right. So okay, so now we have to pocket this. So they have given the dimensions as 20 from the left end and 20 from the right side. Okay, So now the same thing, select your profile. So yes, okay, so from the bottom itself, no problem. So before doing that, one more thing we have to do is that we have to project all those lines. Okay, because it's a solid model, right? When it becomes a solid model, we won't get a defined line points like this points. We will be not able to getting these points, so our sketch will not become a complete sketch. For that purpose we are doing it. So I'm selecting this. So now the problem is that they are not mentioned the distance. Okay, this line distance they have not mentioned, so we have to calculate it. So some of the dimensions will not be clear, so they will be giving approximate or some calculating wise dimensions will be given, so you have to calculate it. So now I am doing it like this. um Always one easier method is that we know this side, right? The same thing we can do it here. So I have given the distance as 2. So from my calculation I have made it as 2. So again from here this, so stop this. Okay, the same 20. So now we can join these 2 points so that we'll be getting the line. Okay, it's been over constrained. So what it is over constrained, so we got it as 26. The calculated value is 26. Okay, so we are done with this. So exit workbench. The same process for exact view we can have this. Okay, so now and one thing, we didn't complete this picture, right? See, it's an incomplete one, so nothing, just join these two lines, that's it. Okay, that's good. Okay, so the same thing, go. Now we have to select the command of pocket clear. So it will be asking whether it will be asking various conditions. So up to next, or what type of pocket you need, like up to next, up to last, up to plane, or up to surface. So that's your actually in this sketch they have been used up to the last, up to last. Okay, so it has been fully pocketed, so I'm selecting it as up to last, or okay, sorry, so up to last. Clear? Okay, so if you guys are not sure with what, so just give you preview and see. Is that matches with the 2D sketch? No, it doesn't. So just give the dimension. So see here, the dimension will be given. So it's only for I think it's 32. I think so. It's up to 32. Okay. So let me give it as 32. Okay. I'm rotating it, or else you can also use your mouse to rotate. So now our next thing is that the hole. It is an M15 hole. M15 hole is nothing but the type of hole to be used there. So there are some particular types of hole like M8, M18, like some types of holes are there. It depends upon the diameter and what type of hole we are using. There are different types of holes. It depends upon in that. So now guys, we have to do the circle, right? So circle is being here. So select the surface and give sketch again. You will be getting this. So fit it for your convenience, because here is the sketch, right? Here is the sketch. Okay. So now let me see. It is an hole which is the center is 25 millimeter above the sketch. Okay. So it's M15 hole and the radius M15, and our radius is also the same. You can also do this hole by using a hole command. Okay, I am doing with the sketch command. I'm just drawing the circle and then I'm pocketing it. If you guys need to be very easier, then you can also opt for the hole command, which is there below pocket. See here, nothing. Select a circle, directly click here and give a constraint. It's of diameter 30 because radius is 50. So selecting this and this line, give constraint. It should be like on the same line. Okay. Okay. So now nothing but I'm cutting this into a semicircle. Take trim, which is a quick trim. Trim it, and also those unwanted line. Okay, so we have did this. Okay. See, it's correct. Okay. So now select this part, give pad. We need it in the opposite direction. So select this arrow, you will be getting it in the opposite direction, and the distance is about 30. Okay. So pad it. So the same as in this sketch, we got it. Okay. Then next our final thing is that for the M15 hole, creating an M15 hole. Nothing but select this. You can see here the hole, right? Select this. You will be getting a hole. So now for positioning the hole, click sketch. Can you see this? For a comfortable view, see here. So for us, the hole should be about, here is 22. For us it should be 25 above. Okay, so select this and write 25. You got it there. That's it. You got a hole that is of simple hole of 15. Okay, so now we are done with this hole. So the one thing is that we have given blind, right? When you give blind, it will be like only until this 15, so up to last, give it like that. So the hole has been created. That is what M15 hole is. Okay, so now our thing has been created. Okay, super. That's it with this. That's it, guys. So that's it with this. So now, so that's it, guys, with this 2D, the 3D model. So for more videos and for more designs, please do watch and subscribe our videos and like our videos and CAD inventions. So bye and thank you guys for watching this video.